How to fix Sherlock Holmes The Awakened low FPS. 1. Ensure your PC meets the system requirements of Sherlock Holmes The Awakened. 2. Install Microsoft's DXX runtime and Visual C++ redistributables, admin mode, and restart your PC. 3. Disable your antivirus or firewall. 4. For gaming laptop. Users, enable high performance mode. 5. Other tips. Update the video driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Reduce the background services with WTM. Enable game mode. Tweak in-game settings. 1. Disable FPS limit in video settings. 2. Use NVIDIA DLSS. 3. Disable VSync. Repair the game files in Steam. Roll back the graphics driver if you can. Uninstall then reinstall. The graphics driver, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.